Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the latest feature from AutoPro, Facebook Messenger chat directly on your car dealership website. In this video, we're going to look at how to set up the Facebook chat widget directly on your AutoPro website. If you have a Facebook page for your dealership, this is a great and easy way for customers to contact you through Facebook without leaving your website. Let's begin. As shown on this AutoPro demo page, we can see that there is no Facebook chat feature in the bottom right corner. Let's check out how to enable this feature in a few simple steps. First, you're going to need to log into your AutoPro software. Go into the left-hand side menu, click on Settings, and select Aduvio Settings. Proceed to click on Website Settings, and then click on the Integration Settings tab. You will see a box labeled Facebook Page ID. This is what we will be getting in this step. You can also access a written tutorial for how to get your Facebook Page ID by visiting our blog on the AutoPro website. First, go to your company's Facebook page. You will need to be logged in as page administrator. On your dealership's Facebook page, in the main page navigation, click on More and then About. Note that the About tab may also be located in the main page navigation, but will most likely be in the More drop-down menu. Once you're in the About section, you will need to scroll down until you see your page ID number. Now what you need to do is copy that number from your Facebook page and paste it into the form field on your AutoPro software settings. Once you've done that, don't forget to hit save. Now that your Facebook page ID has been saved, we can move on to the next step. The next step will be to authorize your domain name through Facebook, essentially telling Facebook your website is authorized to act on your company's behalf. First, copy your website address and return to your Facebook page manager. From there, click Settings, located at the bottom in the left-hand menu. In the next menu, click Advanced Messaging. In the Advanced Messaging section, scroll down until you find a section called Whitelisted Domains. In this section, you're going to paste the address for your AutoPro installation and click Save. A green message should appear. Lastly, we need to enable Facebook Live Chat in our settings. From your AutoPro admin panel, click Aduvio Settings in the main menu on the left. From there, click the Website Settings button. From the Website Settings screen, click Live Chat tab. Simply check this toggle and click Save. Now, all you have to do is go back to your website and click Refresh. And there you have it. Now you get Facebook Live Chat on your AutoPro website. For more information, check out our website at autopro.io.